Breathe easy with Dyson OnTrac, the headphones that fight pollution. Ever felt like the city's relentless buzz and grimy air are teaming up to sabotage your focus, leaving you foggy-headed and drained before noon? Picture dodging exhaust clouds on your walk, only to battle noisy distractions that shatter your groove. It's like the world conspires against your peace. If this rings a bell for your daily grind, share your wildest urban headache in the comments below. Who knows? Your story might inspire the next breakthrough in noise-canceling air-purifying tech, like Dyson OnTrac CNC Copper headphones. Now amp that up. Looming deadlines morph into panic attacks as polluted streets choke your clarity, spiking stress and inviting burnout to crash the party. You're juggling calls amid honking horns, feeling every breath tainted and every beat interrupted. It's a recipe for exhaustion. But imagine flipping the script with a subtle ally that silences the roar while delivering crisp, fresh air. Dyson OnTrac CNC Copper noise-canceling headphones with air purification could quietly reclaim your sanity without the usual gadget overload. Dive into the Dyson OnTrac CNC Copper headphones, a bold fusion of premium over-ear noise-canceling bliss and a wearable air purifier that's shaking up urban life. Think 40mm neodymium drivers pumping balanced highs, mids, and deep bass, while 8 active noise-canceling microphones zap up to 40 decibel of chaos for immersive listening. Picture a busy exec dodging smoggy traffic, with the miniaturized compressor spinning at 9,750 revolutions per minute. It draws air through dual filters capturing dust, pollen, NO2, and SO2, then beams purified freshness via a contact-free visor. Suddenly, their commute transforms from a gritty slog to a serene soundtrack session. Feel the plush microfiber cushions hugging your ears like a cozy escape. The adjustable headband distributing 451 grams so effortlessly you forget it's there. All wrapped in luxurious CNC copper hinges for unmatched durability and that premium, tactile thrill. Experts rave about this engineering feat, blending high-fidelity audio with real-time air quality monitoring via the My Dyson app, where Bluetooth 5.3 ensures seamless 9-meter connectivity and intuitive joystick controls keep you in command. Hang tight for a bonus tip. Tweak the app's transparency mode to blend ambient sounds like traffic alerts, heightening your intuition without sacrificing the clean air buffer. It's like having super senses in the city jungle. Unlock the real magic of Dyson OnTrac CNC Copper. Soaring efficiency as active noise cancellation blocks low-frequency rumbles, letting you laser focus on tasks amid bustling streets, while the air purification system filters out allergens and gases, sharpening your performance and banishing that foggy fatigue for peak productivity. One tech influencer shared, "The ANC is a beast at silencing city noise, and the clean air flow? It's like upgrading your lungs. My bike commutes feel invigorating now." Analysts highlight the CNC Copper's thermal prowess and strength, calling it a game-changer for longevity in premium over-ear form factors, outlasting flimsy rivals. Users chime in with stories like an allergy-prone walker who ditched itchy eyes for pollen-free strolls, crediting the potassium-enriched carbon filters for that fresh, sensory rush of relief. Imagine the emotional lift. No more burnout from polluted deadlines, just intuitive flow with up to 55 hours of battery life. Fast charge 30 minutes for 9 hours of dual audio and purification power. Lightly controversial? Sure, skeptics question if you need air-purifying noise-canceling headphones, but thousands swear by the hypnotic calm it brings, handling objections like weight with well-distributed comfort that defies expectations. Which feature, the rich sound pass-through or the app's filter life tracker, would turbocharge your day? Drop a comment with your pick, and I'll spill a mini reward. A quick hack for optimizing purification speed on the go. Limited spots for this revolutionary Dyson OnTrac CNC Copper. Join the wave of urban warriors who've leveled up their commutes with unbeatable noise-canceling and air-purifying prowess. One pro analyst noted, "It's not just headphones. It's a health shield," echoing users who feel the urgency of cleaner breaths in polluted times. Don't lag behind. Snag yours now to unlock that secret app tweak for custom audio EQ, making every listen effortlessly hypnotic and your workflow unstoppable. Click through and breathe the difference today.